Hello everyone, glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Bambang Yanto from grade 12 graphic design. The purpose of this presentation is to explain how to make banner for election. So, what is banner? A banner is a long flag that displays symbols, logo, slogan, or other message and serve as a medium of publication and information. Then, how to make it? First, we need tools and materials. The tools we need are: first, digital printing machine, computer, eyelet press machine, and scissors. And the ingredients are: first, flexi china, eyelet, glue, and ink printer. And let's get started with the steps. First, turn on the computer. Second, enter the CorelDRAW application. Prepare the design that has been planned with the size of 60 and 100 cm. Then, edit the design as you wish. After the design is complete, prepare the flexi materials. Put the flexi materials into the digital printing machine. Make sure the ink on digital printing is filled and ready to operate. Before printing, adjust the design position first to make it more efficient in using flexi materials. Then, press print to start the printing process. Wait until ink sticks perfectly to flexi materials. Cut the flexi material that has been printed according to pattern that has been made. Then proceed to the gluing stage on the edge of banner that has been provided. After that, add eyelet as desired. Finally, fold the banner until it's neat. Then, the banner is ready to use. The conclusion is, banner can be interpreted as a promotional tool not only containing text but also containing image. The combination of colors, text, and image will be a special attraction for the public to find the information contained in banners can be conveyed properly. That's all for me. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.